If you want to factory reset your Google Pixel 11 but you don't remember the password, in order to perform the hard reset of the phone, you can go to the recovery mode. To do that, first we need to turn the phone off, so I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time. Just press both of these buttons. There we go. And then you can power off the phone. Now we need to wait for the phone to completely shut down. And once that is done, you want to press and hold the power button and the volume down button, and hold these two buttons until you open the fastboot mode. There we go. Once you have the fastboot mode, then in here you can use volume buttons. You can use either volume button in order to search for the recovery mode over here. And once you have the recovery mode, then you can just press the power button to confirm. The phone is going to restart itself, and soon you should see the no command text. There we go. So now press and hold the power button, and while holding the power button, press volume up in addition to that. So I'm gonna press and hold power and then press volume up, and there we go. Now we are in Android recovery menu. So here in this recovery mode, you can use volume buttons to navigate in this mode. It might be slightly laggy, sometimes it is, sometimes it doesn't. I'm not sure why is that. But generally speaking, in here you want to keep scrolling down on this list until you find wipe data/factory reset. Confirm by pressing the power button. Then over here go to the factory data reset and confirm with the power button again. And most likely you will be back into the the main menu of Android recovery mode. So in here, make sure that reboot system now is selected and press the power button to restart your phone. You will go back to the normal mode and you will have the initial configuration again. Leave a like and subscribe.